In this tutorial, we will explore how to compare different tests, which can help teams understand why changes or new features have affected different test metrics, or why one page is performing better than the other. In order to compare tests against each other, go to the Insights dashboard and click on any data point in a graph, and select Compare Test. Click on a second test and also select Compare Test, and you will be taken to the Compare Session dashboard. In the Overview section, we can see the two tests which we selected, and it's possible to add further bookmarked tests to the session by clicking on Add Test. The Compare session includes the advanced features you find in your test reports, allowing you to view a side-by-side film strip to compare the visual loading of both tests. Here, we can quickly see that the second test takes a lot longer to load than the first. Further down, we find a side-by-side browser waterfall, which allows us to easily compare loading events. Here, we can see that the second test has a very long last visual change event. The next step is to open the side-by-side HAR view, which provides in-depth details about each site's requests. The length of a block denotes the duration of the request, and the height signifies the size of the asset. We can quickly notice that there is a large request in the second test, and can click on it to see that it is a video file which is 3 megabytes in size and is an MP4 format. This could be optimized in WebM format to improve performance. Further down, we find a second video file with a similar size and format that could be optimized to speed up the loading process. We can now switch to Visual Complete view to see how both tests compare for the metric. It's clear to see that the second test takes a long time to complete visual loading. Another powerful feature when comparing tests is to watch the loading process side by side by using the video feature. This shows us that the site in the first test loads faster and more smoothly than the second test. The next section shows Lighthouse scores for each test. And the following section displays side-by-side Web Vital scores. Further down, the Cumulative Layout Shift viewer lets us easily compare each page's largest layout shifts. Next, we can compare the total duration that each site's main thread is blocked. Hovering over any red section shows us more information about long tasks and blocking time. The final section, Network Requests, is a powerful feature that allows you to easily see differences in request types and sizes. Hovering over the bar charts show details about request types for each test. Comparing the total size of requests shows that the test 2 has an extra 5 megabytes of video requests. To see this more clearly, we can select the Video tab to compare these requests in isolation. Below this is a list of the requests of the current tab, and clicking on any request provides detailed information about it. You can create and save multiple compare sessions so that you can keep track of the effects of your changes over time. If you would like to learn more about comparing tests, check out our detailed documentation or contact our support team who are always ready to help.